Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming iOS 26 is active and unlocking your device. This avoids permission loops. Next, open the Preview app and grant camera and photos access when asked, because Preview needs those to import and edit. Once done, pick the file source, Files, Photos, or iCloud Drive, so Preview can display items. You should see thumbnails immediately. If not, make sure iCloud syncing is enabled in settings so the app can list remote files. You now open a document and focus on the toolbar. Choose Markup for annotations, text to add typed notes, or signature to sign forms. This is how you modify content directly. Use pinch gestures to zoom and tap text to select. Use the lasso to move handwriting. These controls let you make precise edits. Once edits are complete, tap Share to export as PDF or Save to overwrite the original, so you keep a clean history of changes and avoid accidental loss of data. Finish by sharing or organizing. Open the share sheet to send via mail, messages, or AirDrop, because that distributes the finalized file quickly. Then tap the folder icon to move files into folders and add tags for fast search later. This keeps your workspace tidy. If something goes wrong, say the app quits, force close Preview and reopen it, check device storage, and restart the phone if needed. These steps clear temporary glitches and restore normal function so you can continue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.